Life is confusing. It can be joyful, inspiring, and beautiful, but then all of a sudden can become cruel, punishing, and unfair. This is when you truly appreciate the good moments. We can't be thankful for all the good that life offers us if we don't experience the bad. Good and bad moments are there to pass as life goes on. Remember that none of these moments are here to last for long. So be thankful for all the good that comes your way and be patient through the tough times in life. Every challenge is there to make you or break you. Try not to get broken by the challenges and face them bravely. When life throws lemons at you, you should know how to make a lemonade. Pain and hardship are inevitable parts of life. However, as difficult as they might feel in the moment, challenging times don't have to be our undoing. Here are 5 top tips on how to come through these moments feeling stronger, happier, and more confident. Be ready to take on whatever struggles the universe has in store for you. Follow these 5 tips to grow through what you go through. Number 1. Be kind to yourself. There is no point being hard on yourself. Self-criticism will not help you in tough times that you are facing at the moment, so be kind to yourself. Remind yourself the achievements you have previously made and appreciate yourself for overcoming the hardships in the past. Tell yourself that you are going to struggle in this difficulty too with utmost strength and endurance. Be kind to yourself. Think of yourself as a keen and capable person who will work things out. Number 2. Reframe the situation. Seeing your challenges in positive light isn't always easy, but can have profound effects on how you feel. You take back control. You flip a situation on its head and flick an emotional switch in the process. The best part, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. With practice, you can start reframing any issues that arise to find a light in the darkness. Number 3. Give it time. Whatever situation you're going through might feel like the absolute end of the world right now, but it won't forever. Pain dwindles with the passing of time. It's usually when things feel like they couldn't get any worse that they begin to improve. Whatever you learn now will help whenever you are next up against a challenge. Number 4. Reflect, process, and feel. Taking the time to reflect and process a problem is an important way to grow through it. Don't run from the problem. Be brave and face up to it. Stop, pause, think, feel, and reflect. Cry, shout, talk to yourself, talk to your loved ones, express yourself, write stuff down, meditate. Observe your thoughts and feelings as they come and go. It won't be easy, it probably hurt. Yes, it's short-term pain for a long-term gain. You will integrate the situation into your internal world, avoiding ongoing pain in the process. Number 5. Give thanks. You grow through what you go through when you can give thanks for whatever has gone wrong as well as what's going right. Gratitude's underrated, especially when you're going through hard times. It's a way to focus on what you have instead of what you have lost. In this process, you gain all the important perspective and build yourself a platform from which to take positive steps forward. Life can be full of hurdles and stumbling blocks, but these difficult moments don't have to defeat us. In fact, it's through such challenges that we have a chance to become stronger, happier, and more capable people. The tricky part is knowing how to react to such struggles in a way that makes the positive outcomes possible. By following these 5 tips, you will be able to grow through what you go through. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Leave your precious comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you again with another video.